Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna show you aloe in beautiful bloom, and as you can see, flowers, beautiful flowers, 4 flowers, and I decided to make special video. Very beautiful, and it blooms once in 3 years, and this year was blooming more beautiful than 3 years ago, and 4 flowers it have 2 spikes. I'm happy it is in bloom and so exciting. I love this color. You can see there orange, a little bit gray color. This variety is Aloe delatii. Maybe I don't pronounce correct anyway, and very beautiful flowers. Love this variety. It was grow huge and blooming nice. Maybe will bloom next year too. I will take care. And as you can see there, it is a flower bud yet and will bloom soon. And this aloe was given it to me by my cousin 6 years ago, and was grow. It was a little plant and I grow it so huge. And you can see there the bee pollinate flower. That's amazing thing. Look how it looks at the leaves. Love it. And growing many babies as well. And that's it. I think I will remove them babies. We will see. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova and see you next time. I'm George and bye.